Get students involved. It's going to be a really chill, cheap festival. It's got really good bands for a really cheap festival. It looks really awesome, actually. It looks really good. It's a good idea for us to shop.
Fig Jam is going to be an amazing day. It's a festival for students, run by students. There's going to be some really good bands playing. Banshee, John Steele Singers, Aston Shuffle. It's just going to be a great atmosphere full of all your peers. It's a cheap music festival, cheap drinks, and just a really fun time. Something that you'll remember for years.